Volume 1, Exercise number 7, second part, start. The other point is that the credit worthiness of the managing agency firm does count in certain extent in getting credit from the banks and other financial institutions. Full stop. Paragraph. Yesterday it was mentioned by my honorable friend that the crux of the problem is the question of payment of remuneration to a particular managing agency system. Full stop. He said that in this bill definite encouragement has been given to the alternative type of management, namely the managing director or the manager. Full stop. Where an individual has been permitted to take 5%, while in the case of the managing agency it has been permitted to take about 10%. Full stop. I would like to point our to him that it is not merely the question of remuneration which will decide the alternative type of management. Full stop. The remuneration is not a very important thing. Full stop. Unless and until you allow a certain amount of flexibility for any system to function, it will not be possible to evolve any other system to take the place of the managing agency system. Full stop. In spite of so many shackles, you may find that those business houses which are carrying on now may have to carry on the present basis. You not find many new people coming in the field. Full stop. Paragraph. Several times it has been mentioned in this house why the business community has not scribed from itself a code of conduct. Full stop. In this connection, I would like to point out that a degree of diploma is essential from the profession, and in case of violation of the code should be provided by it, and to prevent a person from practicing the profession. Full stop. Today even Ashok Mehta and C. Shah can set up a grocery shop and become businessman. Full stop. Nobody lays down any conditions for starting business, and nobody can prevent other from continuing it. But I would like to point out the with regard to the code of conduct, there is certain amount of ethics and there are certain standards and traditions on which business houses function. Full stop. If a particular firm has not given proper ways of managing its business, you will that business house will find it difficult function, and it would be difficult for it to command the confidence of the business community full stop. It would not be possible for it to function as effectively as full stop over.